This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by MountainLiving Team. Wanting a place to build your mountain getaway on 5.01+ acres? Gentle to rolling acres with easy access just off a state-maintained road. A short distance to both Lake Hiwassee and Lake Apalachia boat ramps. Close to USFS and Hiwassee Dam. Private location with minimal restrictions to protect your investment. For more information, review the details below or contact MountainLiving Team at 828-361-9713.